The investigation into the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 is focused on a military lab in the south of France. International experts will be analyzing a wing from a Boeing 777 that washed up on a remote island in the Indian Ocean. CCTV's Kate Parkinson reports from Toulouse.
When this wing fragment washed up on the shores of Reunion Island last week, it raised hopes that the mystery of missing Malaysian Airlines Flight MH370 may be close to being solved. Under police escort, the piece of debris was transferred to a military laboratory in southern France. Experts here will seek to establish whether it is part of MH370, and if so, look for clues as to what happened. The centre investigated the 2009 Air France Airbus A330 disaster, which killed 228 people when it crashed into the Atlantic en route from Rio de Janeiro to Paris. Hundreds of pieces of wreckage were analysed, but it wasn't until the black boxes were found almost 2 years after the crash that investigators had all the answers. Some experts are warning that solving the mystery of MH370 will be much more challenging.
We have very little information on the route it took for at least 1 hour. For example, for the Rio-Paris flight, we had a period of uncertainty of 10 minutes, and it took us 2 years to find the black boxes. So I think it's going to be complicated. But maybe, if the element that was found is from the plane, it may be able to limit a little more the search area.
The verification process to see if the wing part is from the missing Malaysian airliner will take place here on Wednesday. That's a process that could happen pretty quickly. Experts will then try to figure out what caused the crash and where the plane went down, a process that will be considerably more complicated. Kate Parkinson, CCTV, Toulouse.
Mauritius is offering maritime and aerial resources in the search for flight MH370. The country's prime minister says he will send Coast Guard ships equipped with new equipment and 2 airplanes to assist in the search. A helicopter is also on standby. The country also asks all ships in the area to remain vigilant and alert authorities if they spot any debris.